Hello and welcome to Indian Curry Recipes. Today we are making prawn shashlik. It's prawns on a stick. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon mint chutney, 1 teaspoon coriander and cumin seeds powder, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder and salt as per taste. Just add all the ingredients to the prawn. I've taken roughly about 15 to 20 peeled prawns. Add the turmeric, coriander and cumin seeds powder, Kashmiri chili powder, all 1 teaspoon. This is mint chutney. You can make this with fresh mints in the mixer grinder. That's ginger garlic paste. You can reduce the quantity if it's too hot for you. Lemon juice freshly squeezed, 1 tablespoon. Salt as per your taste. Remember, you need less salt for this as prawns already have natural salts. I've added bell peppers, 3 different colors, orange, red and yellow. Mix this all well together. Soak some shashlik or cocktail sticks in water to avoid it from burning. Now add some oil to it and mix this well. We'll be putting this on the cocktail sticks. These are the shashlik sticks. So add the prawn and the bell peppers. Arrange it the way you like. Arrange it in a flat position better so it gets cooked. We'll be shallow frying this. You can do this in the oven as well. Arrange it the way you like. Spray some oil on a non-stick pan. Once the oil is nice and hot, you can arrange this on the pan. Make sure the heat is on medium heat. Cover and cook this on a low flame. Turn on each sides every 15 to 20 minutes. It doesn't take much time. In 15 minutes, this starter will be ready because prawns get cooked very soon. You see, it's started to cook as well. Covering the lid will help it cook overall really well. Make sure you turn it, and any remaining prawns you can fry them this way. Serve this with any bread or rice of your choice. Thank you so much for watching.
Subscribe to my money's channel. Bye. And also please click the bell button for notifications. And have a great time. Subscribe.